Okay, we're off and rolling. We're almost done. Rustling. Okay, what we got? 13 problems. 13. Can I do 13? That's like. It's less than one every 6 minutes. So probably not gonna figure this one out. Okay, let's see what it is though. So we have a Q first, second half, first half, second half. We want to send TX to both threads, but currently it's moved into the first thread. How can we solve this problem? Send second half. We're gonna clone it. Oh. Oh, really? That doesn't. Interesting. Okay. So what were we learning? What were we learning 2 days ago? We were learning arc mutate. Now you're pushing though. I don't. So I think if we just make an arc, right? Arc reference. Q. Where's Q? Q equals a new arc magic. Whoa, hold on. Let's know what a sync. Let's just shoot the hand, see what happens. So read this. Let's get rid of this. Let's see what it suggests me. Previous thread. Let me just get rid of this. Okay, we're gonna try this. See what the error says. Move occurs because TX is type sender, which does not implement the copy trait. Oh, TX is the problem. Variable due to closure for vowels. So so what's the send even do? What? So that's my thought. I just clone this, but let So you're saying, hold on. You're saying do this? Then unwrap. This is making... Yeah, doesn't make any sense to me. Handle considered is used MPSC. Multiple procedures, single consumer channels to communicate. With both a sending end and receiving end, it's possible to send values in one thread and receive them in another. Is that what's happening? Multiple procedures are possible by using clone to create a duplicate sender. That was my thought. Just so, who's your problem? Are you the problem? You're the problem. Okay. So if I just clone equals tx.clone. Is that what I was supposed to do? Huh, that is. Interesting. Okay. I'll accept it. Alright, let's keep going. Threads, macros. So I've read a little bit about macros. And they seemed complicated. Macros. Fix the macro. My macro. I need some macrotology here to let's see, what does a macro look like? That this one does not. Oh, I'd have to just that was easy enough. Fix the compiler. It just has to be defined first, I guess. Oh, it's freaking easy. Crushing these macros, bud. Crushing. Mod macros. Have to do. What is a mod? My macro. So this is right. Okay. What is this mod thing? I have to use? Hold on, is mod's not yeah, module. Where are modules? Right. So we just have to say using or something? So this is where I thought macros dash can I say use? How do I oh man, when you don't so when I need to import things, I say use std. So can I say use std my Mac? My Mac. Boy, this is pretty bad. So this is what I was trying to do. Put this like this. My Mac. Macro use. How do I import a macro? You have to lift the macro out of its parent. Having a macro in a module. Okay. So this is my thought. This is my original idea. Macros. No. So my second. Was that their thought? Hmm. Oh, okay, hold on. Try the new way. Let's try the new way. So I have to make a public public create. Then I can use macro. Okay, cool. Oh, I did this now. Okay, to do, fix the compiler by adding 1 or 2 characters. Rust format skip. Yeah. So this is the macro that does either 1 or 2 things. You can do this expression or this. I feel like it's just an ampersand or something really. Not sure how this, if it's pattern matching or. The syntax eludes me. No rule expects this token in the macro call. What's this? Here we have an arm with pattern followed by if the pattern matches, this should block with code match. The comma following that a little comma separate character would potentially appear after the code since it matches the code specifies. This looks stupid like this. No. So that's this. Maybe it's this. So the comma following okay within is which matches any given the expression. I feel like this is what Brand says. When we use a $sign to declare a variable in the macro. Hold on. So this. No. For more information, I don't kind of want more macros. Too complicated for this dummy. My little book of Rust macros. That would work. Is it just this? I feel like this has got to be wrong. Rose. So you need this. Oh, that's it. What was the 1 or 2, I wonder? Ah. Interesting. Clippy. Alright. 40 minutes. See what we can do. Alright. 40 minutes to go. Clippy. The Clippy tool is a collection of links to analyze your code so you can catch common mistakes and improve your Rust code. For these examples, the code will fail to compile when there are Clippy warnings. Check Clippy suggestions from the output to solve the exercises. Constant directly. Oh no shit. It's telling me what is Rust Pi. Rust Pi. Apparently there's a pi. So we want. That's really candy. Okay. For X in option, res plus, so, okay. So, I still don't understand the syntax. So if equals, so if there is something in here, it lets some. Here's some easy Clippy fixes so you can see its utility. this? Remove the none. What does it want? U32. How do I do vex? Yeah, that's what I thought. Sure. Sure, alright, we'll go create a new one. What you what? But I am using you. So there's vec, then capital vec. Oh, I don't know what that's trying for me to do. Oh, I just wanted me to clear it. Fair enough. Cool. Alright. 30 more minutes to go. 30 more minutes to go. Let's see if we can do it. 5 more. 5 more. What's the next one? Using as reference counting. Typecasting in Rust is done via the usage of as parameter. Note that as operator is only used when typecasting. This also helps when reading imports. So today, value, so as fp64. Oh, nice. Oh, that's easy enough. Easy. Alright, from into. The from trait is used for value to value conversions. If from is implemented, an implementation of intro is automatically provided. You can read more about the documentation. We implemented the default trait to use it as a fallback when provide string is not convertible into a person. Oh, what? To able to parse a person out of a string in the form of mark 20, you'll need to parse the age component into a U8 with something like parse U8. Okay. Okay, so this split the okay. So implement from string. Okay. Return the default. Okay, so parse. Rust split. Alright, we're gonna need some Google foo here. Okay. Person's not. I don't actually from. Oh, so from a. I need, okay, so self dot x or self dot age. No? Let me just make sure I know what I'm doing, because I don't feel it. How do I create a person? How do I... Okay, so I need... Okay, so this is create a person. Okay. So that's what they want. Okay, so split equals s dot split. Okay. Sine. So this should be length dot iter. Get the size of the spline. Next. Consume to get the results. Count dot collect. Use size. So P is greater than does not equal to type this. Person default. Okay, else, so we've got two. So we split the name. That's the name. If the name is empty, return default person. Alright, so let's do if or T split. What does this equal? Index. What? This should be easy enough, but my brain is not accepting. How do I use split? Use split NX. So A should equal what? Mary had a little lamb. What? This is not. What if I do split God next? Okay, this is what I want. Split occurs due to. What is your problem? Do you need to clone this? I'm not sure. Okay, so let's try this. Name is page. This. So the problem is this. And that's not. Okay, so now if I add this back. Okay, so now we know ASDF. So we have an option. So I need to steal the option. So how do I match an option? Match on option rest. Option. So we match sum of I equals that's some. Oh, capital S. String. Hold on. Fair enough. Okay, we're working on it. Okay, so then we're gonna match. If the name is empty. Oh, okay. It's some. Equals I. Alright, this is going good. This is going good. Okay. So, if the name's in parse a second split into UFS. Parse as U8. Okay. So next. Okay. So I don't know if I want to use it like this. So split next equals sum. I feel like let match rest. So what was the thing we tried 2 seconds ago? No. Now there's probably a way to. So, well, the first problem is I need to rip it out. So if that's still applicable, number string. String string from I. String. Oh, so now to do a U5 parse. What do I use for my clear stream? I don't know, just use OBS. Is it clear? I have no concept. Probably clear because no one watches it. A lot of it doesn't take much bandwidth. Result. Okay, so now if it's an okay, so if error it's gotta be an easier way to match all these crud. But like I want to get all these things done. So we're just gonna whack it and see how it goes. So if there's an error, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're just gonna keep hammering these. So otherwise, there's not an error. Take new person and throw their age in there. Okay, age. Let's give this real age. Error. How does errors work in Rust? How do I pop this guy? So yeah, so if it's an okay, it should pop out. So let's do this. Do another let's grab of age. If there's an error, return person. U8. Oh, I see. X. So X gets popped out. Then I can grab X in here. Whoosh. Nice. Okay. From into. Now, how was I supposed to handle this? This looks pretty sloppy. Sum.age is none. That's more. Let's see. How many do I got left? 3. How much is 3 left? Let's just look at this one. So we're at 40 from string. Oh, okay, this looks like a big one. Oh no, that's the one I just did. Oh, did I screw up? 44. No, this is one I did. So now there's a didn't. What? This is similar, but this time we'll implement from string and return error instead of falling back to default values. Alright, I think we're just gonna do this tomorrow. Okay, sounds good.